Hello world, good morning. Welcome back to the One Idea segment of the show. This is a show where we go and explore one idea that could possibly transform and shift your way of thinking and have a profound influence in your entrepreneurial life. So today, the one idea I want to explore was one that was inspired by Michael Simmons in an article he has in Fortune that I absolutely love, that's all about how to think like Elon Musk. And from this article, the one idea takeaway that I wanted us to start looking at is an idea that he identifies as learning transfer. Learning transfer is the one superpower skill he identifies that Elon Musk has that really differentiates him from so many of his competitors. It's the skill that has enabled Musk to build 4 separate successful companies in 4 completely different areas and helps him be so innovative in his life and work. So what is this idea of learning transfer? The idea is that instead of specializing in just one or a few fields of knowledge, that what Musk has done has gone broad and examined a wide range of different topics. So one idea is just that he is an avid reader, an avid learner who takes in information. But it's not just that he does a lot of reading or a lot of learning, but specifically that he learns across different fields. And then the important thing is then not only that he learns across different fields, but that he transfers this learning. In the article, Simmons explores one idea that I love of how Musk does this. He talks about how what Musk does is go down to fundamental principles so that it's not just about learning all of these ideas and grabbing the details, but recognizing that knowledge could be, for example, like a tree. And just as, for example, a tree may have one trunk that then breaks into many different branches and then off to the different details of the leaves, that learning can be like this too. That as we're learning a subject, we can focus on first principles. We can go down to fundamentals. And then once we've abstracted away and identified fundamentals in one field, then we can take this learning we have and transfer it to another field. And this is precisely what enables us to be innovative. So I'd love to hear what you think about this idea of learning transfer. Is this something that you've attempted to do in your life, in your thought? Let me know how it's worked for you, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day. Ask me why.